Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021 to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow on both smartphones. Then select receive on an Android and send on XIAOMI. Following that, tap on all of those type of dots and choose send. This way you will transfer all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go with this one file, choose send and tap on got it. From here we have the connection ways. We can input this key here. And tap on Receive or Scan QR code. In order to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. After that, wait a bit. And as you can see, my file was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!